You are going to love the 2024 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, tire pressure monitor, luggage rack, daytime running lamps, fog lamps. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, cruise control, power outlet, floor mats, fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.